name is Sneha Prajapati and I'm a second year student in Diva Patel Culinary Department. As a culinary student, you are embarking on a journey that will take you to the new height in the food industry. But have you ever thought about combining your passion for cooking with the love for media? As a culinary student, you have the ability to create your dishes in such a stunning way. You can tempt the taste and excite the sense of the taste buds. There are countless opportunities in this food media. You can become a food blogger and share your recipe with all over the world. You can even share your cooking tips with everyone. Now, you can also become a food photographer and you can represent your food in such a stunning visual that most people like it. Diva Patil is one and only institute that teaches food media. As you can see here, there are lots of beautiful pictures which are clicked by our culinary students. The faculty are so helpful and friendly that we get a chance to create our own background, to decide our own theme and create the pictures and click it in such a stunning way that which we are looking forward. As my 1 year experience in Diva Patil, I got various opportunity to work with celebrities and even being a part of a media team in Diva Patil for massive events which are taken place in our campus.